Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. We're going to do a quick unboxing here. This box here, we got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. A small box in here, y'all. This is from the Meteor series from BetaFPV, and this is a Whoop drone. In case you guys don't know what the Meteor series is, let's open it up so you guys can see which one it is. We got some spare props in here. We got a screwdriver and some screws in there. We got a little charger, looks like. USB type C right there. That's always good to see. And on this side, we got the new VT 2.0 from BetaFPV, and we got the USB cable there too. USB cable there, type C. Let's get to it. We got two batteries, y'all. It comes with two batteries, 550 milliamp hour 1S packs. And so this is the Meteor 75 Pro, I think it is. I think that's what it's called. And this is the Walksnail edition. Check this thing out, y'all. It has express LRS on it. We have the little antenna right there, taped to the back of the frame and all. BT 2.0 connection on it. So I'm kind of excited about this thing. We got these motors on here. I think I have these motors already, but these are 1102 22,000 kV motors here. And so let me see, do I have those motors? I think I do. Yes, I do have those motors on this thing right here. Same motors. So this is the 75 millimeter frame that kind of cheats. It's a little larger than 75 millimeters. And so let me see, do I have, yeah, I do have my little Walksnail system that I put together here from the Junior Racer. And you can see this thing is actually 75 millimeters. And look, the hoops are a little larger, ever so slightly larger on this a Whoop frame there. Let me see, I think I do have a yeah, I do have an example of that frame. I have this frame already, so I have been doing a few things with this frame. But this is just the black version, and it has Walksnail. So bind and fly. I didn't know that this thing has a separate receiver there. I guess that explains why we have this antenna here like that. It's not built into the board. And so that's awesome. I think I like that. So you guys can expect some flight footage from this thing coming up pretty soon. I'll be flying this with my Jumper T Pro. Going a little further with our exploration of this Walksnail system, y'all. So far, I'm loving it with the little build that I have. It's the BetaFPV Meteor 75 Pro. Thanks for watching.